to be not insane, but suffering terrific torment of a never-ending snowstorms, a FastBlast will have to do.
It looks as though SmokeyGoodness has had its first train wreck. Actually, this ends up being hot enough to bring me to tears. All I want for Christmas is for somebody to come out here and uproot these oak trees. Replace them with willow trees. Please. And shut up, sirens. Frank?
Oh, hey.
So, what do we have here?
Neighbor found him lying there. We think he's deceased.
Interesting. White three-piece suit. Gold chain. Platform shoes. Frank? I don't think this one's dead.
What's not dead?
Disco isn't dead.
Bison burgers, again.
Actually, Tom, it's bison burgers. Every day.
Bison burgers, again?
Again?
Bison burgers again? Bison
Burgers en gång till.
Shut up, bird. Then I'm going to finish them off in a homemade barbecue sauce, a major ingredient in a Kansas City style barbecue sauce. Shut up, bird.
But how is this because